Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop for 10 more minutes of thunderchief mold in action. Oh yeah, we're to the molding stage on part of it anyway. Okay, this is what I did. I went ahead and snuck another coat of resin in on you. It was time I had to go run to the dollar store. I was kind of in a hurry. Went out to the dollar store, Harbor Freight, and re-up on some supplies. So, I was in a hurry, I just put another coat on it. But what I did, okay, to kind of thicken this resin up a little bit, let me show you my stick. I mixed it up and let it sit about an hour in the fridge, okay? Now it's thickened up, and all of it ain't running out so bad. I know I got people all over the world saying, "Oh no, don't do that." But I put my brush in the fridge too, be able to reuse them a little bit. See, my thinking being, it kind of worked. It allows me to put it on a little bit thicker without it all running off. Because once this warms up, it's going to go ahead and go off too. Because it's been mixed up for an hour now. I worked on the last coat. You see how it is? It's not leaving nothing on my finger, but it's sticky. And leaving my fingerprint. That's perfect. That's when you want to put another coat on it. I'm just going to build this up. I'm probably going to do this one more time and get a nice build of resin for our surface coat. This mold's going to come out nice. Hope so. If it does, this is how I'm going to do the fuselage on the fuselage mold. If it don't work out, then we'll go back to the surface coat. This is just how you figure out stuff, people. You just go for it, you know? There's one thing I know. This epoxy is going to set up and it's going to get hard. I've put epoxy in the fridge before. It didn't seem to hurt it as far as setting up or anything. But it worked real good on the last coat. So we'll see. We'll all see together. We might just learn something. I sure like the way that cougar mold was, though. It was so hard, the edges, that it was easier to trim. And they're just nice molds. I think they'll last a long time. Put out many cougars or many 105s. Had no boy from Australia asking about them. Just sit tight, my brother. Let us get one built and get flying, then we got to see what we're going to have in them, you know, and we just don't want to give no prices yet. We want to be fair. Make sure they fly. That way we don't have no one mad at us. Still need a couple parts. Old Sharp Pencil's supposed to be getting me. Sharp Pencil, you watching this? How them stabs coming? Need my stabs and the ducks. So after I get these fuselage and wings molded on, I want to work on the rudder, the stabs, the ducks, all that kind of at the same time. Well, sure looking good. I'm gonna let this set up. What are we doing on time? Oh, it took 6 minutes. I'm gonna let this set up and I'm gonna do it again. Now I think once that resin gets something sticky to hold on to, you know, the second, third coat, not as much wants to run off. So it'll start building up quick now. Bam, that's looking good. It's looking good. See, people, this ain't so hard. Y'all can do this stuff. You know what I want to do is after I get the plane built and flying, well, I don't know, I might go ahead and do it, but I wanted to get the first mold done. But the second mold, thinking about making another one. Go ahead and cutting out the cockpit area or the canopy area, you know. This would be real easy to make a molded canopy that opens and mold that all separate. After I get this mold done, then I can cut on my plug some more. And put me some fiberglass in there, you know, like I did the other hatches, and make a separate mold for opening canopy. That's to come later, I think. But I wanted to get this mold done first, and then I could cut on that, you know. But I think that's going to work, don't you guys? That's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. All the way around, nice and smooth and shiny. So that's it. That's it for now. But I'll be back later on. Remember, it's going to be a late one. So make sure and tell your wives you're going to be up late watching Bob TV tonight. And tell her to go visit her mother. But that's all we got for now. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bob TV. And catch us next time in the shop. Same Bob time, same Bob station. This episode of Bob TV was broadcasted in Philovision. This is a drama-free zone.